things you didn't know LG made. Multimeters. Very good, high quality, high precision multimeters. This is a 19,000 count multimeter. I'm going to hook it up to a dead 9-volt battery and show you that precision. This battery was left in the multimeter and I bumped the switch on when I put it away. So, yep, we're going to hook up this this cable to the battery. But that's a very good. They're showing you the 19,000 count. If I put it to 200 millivolts, we will of course get over range, which is a 1, and at 20 you get that more what you're familiar with. Most cheap multimeters are a 1,999 count. I just ordered a multimeter that's a 6,000 count, but I did not know. I'd used this multimeter dozens of times before. I only noticed today that it is a 1,999 count. Other things that LG make, my Gold Star frequency counter. This is LG. This is an FC 2015. They use the same chassis for a two input model, and the cutout was already in the metal frame behind it. I just punched that out, and it happened to be just the right size for a 1/4 inch socket, so they're in parallel. All right, look, you know what? I took the back off. Let's have a look inside this bad boy. The main chip is a TC7129. I do not know about different multimeter chipsets. That's more of a Dave EEV blog thing. So you get your, let me zoom out, sorry. So you get your classic crystal that runs the master clock. Probably the most interesting thing here is this CADIC device, which I believe, my recollection is that they made film resistor packs. So this is the precision voltage divider for the different modes, varying types of fuses and other input protection. There's the shunt resistor for the current measurement. You get a couple of fuses, nice big fat resistor there. I'm not gonna pull this thing apart and get to the back of the LCD driver. You will just have to use your imagination. So the other useful things that we have here, we've got a HFE, PNP and NPN silicon transistors, 2 stages of frequency, all the usual DC, amperage, AC, amperage, 20 millivolts, 20 milliamps, 20 milliamps, 200 millivolt AC, 200 millivolt DC, goes up to 20 meg for the resistance. I put my fingers against some probes earlier and did a whole bunch of measuring the skin resistance and got that to go sort of pretty high range of mega ohms. That was what actually made me notice that it went to the 19,000 count. So that is it for what is a very, very good multimeter that we had here. Okay, that is all I have to say for today. Losher out.